guys, welcome back to another vlog of Alexa Official YouTube channel. And obviously we're here in the farm. They're picking up mangoes. I'm here eating. Welcome back to Alexa Official YouTube channel. We're just gonna try this cream O. I already opened it. Like this. I hope it's good. I haven't tried this. I already tried the vanilla. This is chocolate. And I never tasted this before. It's tasty too. Well, vanilla is more sweeter than this chocolate. Cream O is the opposite of Oreo. Cream O, Oreo. Yum. Here, cream O is tasty. We're here in the farm because there's no electricity in our home. Sakit ng pin ko. Ayun ba? Hindi ko nadalaw.
Natago nga sa dahon.
Mabuhay!
Nasalo ba? Oo.
They're picking up mangoes on the tree. And I'm just eating. I only helped earlier. I was cooking fish earlier. Well, I kind of burned the fish. I'm bad at cooking. Or at least I learned how to cook an egg. Only an egg. I only know how to cook an egg. That's all. That's all I need to know. They are mowing the grass right now. They're mowing the grass. Ano kaya?
Dal mo daw si Jeff doon. Pumunta ka doon. Hindi ko makita ngayon.
Hashtag couple goals. Ayan. Deserve sa kambing. I'm literally wearing socks right now. My shoes are here. I don't know if you see it. Now that's my shoes. Wait. I haven't celebrated my 6K subscribers. Let's celebrate it next week. I still have school. Don't worry. It's just Saturday today. Yan. Mangga. Mangga? Ano yan? Kit ng aso. Ayoko na.
Magkaroon ng karan, ang saan? Ha?
Ay, masarap ko yung magi. I didn't finish it. Sana all may gawain. Ako wala. Let me put on my shoes. And I will get water. Because I didn't bring water here. On the tricycle. I am that smart, guys. I forgot water. We brought a gallon of water. And the gallon of water is outside. And I'm here inside the tricycle right now. Because I don't want to go outside. There's lots of dogs. I hate dogs. But I love puppies. Cute. Mabait naman sila. Hindi sila nangangagat. They are not gonna chase you. Dogs here in the Philippines are always just chilling. Been chilling that. I'ma just get water. Nasaan ang tubig? Ay, baso. Ay, ito pala. Ang hangin ah. Malilipad ako ah. Lilipad ako sa hangin. Nasaan ito ilalagay?
Tapos mo din sa blue bag.
Dita! Tandaan niyo pa to, guys. Tandaan niyo pa gayon? Or no? Did you remember it? Or no? Let's read. Let's read. I brought a book with me. I'm here in the fun. Would you like a tour? No, thank you. I am too tired for this. Let me sit. I just made a mess here. Wait for me. I took off my shoes again. Where am I gonna put the phone? It's okay, I'm gonna just put it here. I brought a book with me. Awesome facts. Awesome facts about animals, places, earth, people. Even Einstein is here. This is the document when COVID started. And obviously I was 4 years old when COVID started in 2020. I am only 4 years older. It's 2025, so I'm 9 years old now. Okay. Name. Perez Alea M. Naging Alea to. Alexa! Wala naman. Alexa naging Alea. 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 Perez Alea M. Okay. Alexa ako. Nagkamali daw siya ng type. They printed out the wrong letter. Age 4, nationality Philippines, civil status single, gender female, passport or ID no 0000 40 0000. Okay. Address 313. Okay. Barangay Tinurik. Province, Batangas. Email, bawal ko sabihin. City of Tanawan. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Phone, bawal ko sabihin, baka nyo ko i-contact. Result. Causative agent of COVID-19, viral RNA not detected. Uy, hindi ako nagka-COVID. When 2020 started and COVID started, my dad caught COVID-19. At least he survived. A lot of people have died due to COVID-19 in 2020. Rest in peace. So, this result date is October 6, 2020 at 8:07 a.m. And lab number BTNG 100, 520 to 558. Lab number ko yun. Certificate issued October 13, 2020. Ang tagal naman ng 2020. 4 years old pa na ako. Alea daw Alea. Ang galing ko. Alea M. Ayaw. Alea. Hoy, hindi ako Alea. Uy. Tama nga. Sa kabaliktaran. Alea daw. Alea. Alea daw. Alea. Ako sa Alea, be. Alexa ako. Okay na yan. Duwa ko na. Naduwa ako sa pangalan ko. Alea daw They typed the wrong letter. Alea na tuloy ako. Yan. Alea. Alexa kasi. Naduwa. Our amazing planet. There are world records being broken in all manner of topics, so to make it as easy as possible for you to find your way around awesome facts, we have split this book into 8 different sections. Each category is as exciting and as fascinating as the next. So the only problem you'll have is deciding where to start. The human body section looks at how our bodies work and to what extremes we can go. Along with the tallest, the oldest, and the hairiest, you'll find out how babies learn why our faces are special and what do we do when we get together in large groups. In sports, you'll able to find, ayoko na, haba naman nun eh. Okay. Ang init. I'ma just move. The sun is shining again. Very good. Bakit? 12. Sports. First sub 10 section. Sex 100 meters. 10 seconds lang 100 meters. Ano? First sub to 10 sec 100 meters. This one's considered another impossible achievement, but Jim Hines' record time of 9.9 seconds that he set on June 20, 1968 in California, USA stood for 15 years. The women's world record has stood at 10.49 seconds since 1988, achieved by Florence Griffin Joyner. Very good. The Grand Slam of tennis. In tennis, winning the French Open, Wimbledon, US Open, and the Australian Open in the same calendar year amount to completing the Grand Slam. The first man to do it was Don Bunch in sweep of golf's Big Four prizes. The US Open, the British Open, the US Amateur, and the British Amateur in 1930. It has never been since, and in the modern Grand Slam, the two amateur champions have been replaced with the Masters and the PGA. Awesome facts talaga to. Ayoko nga lang ng sports. Daming sports. Ayan, science. Kailangan ko ng science. Buting. Especially when I learn science right now. There are 100 plus. Anong tawag dun? There are 100 plus in the periodic table in science. I am not smart. Science and technology. Telepathy. Okay. The term telepathy was first coined by F.W.H. Myers in 1882 from the Greek words tel meaning distance and path meaning feeling. It means being able to transfer thoughts from one mind to another and so communicate while giving no external indications, or to be able to influence how others think although there is no firm evidences. What is your problem? Ano ulam? Mamay! Ano ulam? Okay. Sinasagot. Sana fish play ako. Tingin yan, tinatabad na ako magbasa. Ay, ito! To. Babasahin ko to. The Paranol 105. Most famous ghost photo. Raymore Hall in Norfolk, UK, which dates back to the 17th century, is said to be haunted by the Brown Lady in September 1936. Captain Provant and Indra Shira, two photographers from Country Life magazine visiting the property, captured a strange luminous shape descending the main staircase. The photograph is probably the most famous picture of a ghost ever taken. The paranormal on film. When a human being or inanimate object becomes an instrument to be used by paranormal force, we say they are possessed This is also a popular film plot device. Possession is usually ended with an exorcist, as in the classic movie The Exorcist, which to date has grossed $400 to $500,000. Mali pala. $402,500,000. Nasa 420 million. Ay, 402 million. Okay. Worldwide. Britain's most haunted house. This record goes to the fantastic Gothic ruins at Alton Towers in Staffordshire, which has no fewer than 17 ghosts in attendance. 17 ghosts. The White House Ghost. The most seen ghost in the White House, where the U.S. President lives and works, is that of Abraham Lincoln, who became 16th President of the U.S. on 6 November 1860. There have been hundreds of sightings, many of which have come from reliable sources such as Grace. Okay guys, this is the end. I'll just make a video of me reading these awesome facts. Bye guys.